In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Shopify store with Webflow using the Loop app. This process is straightforward but requires careful attention to each step to ensure everything integrates smoothly. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin page. This is the hub where you'll manage your store, and you'll find all the relevant controls here. Once you're on your Shopify homepage, look towards the left-hand side of the screen and click on Settings. This will open up a menu where you manage a variety of store details, from payment options to shipping methods. After you're in the Settings menu, the next place you want to go is the Apps and Sales Channels section. This part of the dashboard allows you to manage apps that can enhance your store's features and connect other platforms. Once there, look for the Shopify App Store option and click on it. This is where you'll be able to explore new apps and add-ons to enhance your e-commerce capabilities. In the Shopify App Store, we are specifically looking for the Loop app, so use the search bar at the top and type in Loop. The search results will bring up Loop, build with Webflow. This app is what we'll use to bridge your Shopify store with your Webflow site seamlessly. When you see Loop in the results, click on it to get more details. Now that you've found Loop, the next step is to install it. On the app's page, you'll see an Install button. Go ahead and click it. Installing Loop is crucial because it allows your Shopify store's data and connectivity to work with Webflow, helping you create a coherent digital experience. The final step, once Loop is installed, is probably the most critical. You'll need to click on Connect with Webflow. This step opens up a connection between the two platforms, allowing for real-time data syncing and integration of your designs with your store's back-end functionalities. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Now, with Loop successfully installed and linked to Webflow, you should be all set up. This integration brings together Shopify's robust e-commerce capabilities with Webflow's design flexibility, allowing you to create stunning, custom online storefronts with ease. Remember, if at any step you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Shopify support or refer to the help sections in both the Shopify and Webflow platforms. Keep exploring the functionalities that this powerful integration unlocks for more efficient store management and a better customer experience. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with Shopify and Webflow.